Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always I'm here amongst the blue boxes and the shelves of the warehouse to find out what items are back in stock for your classic Norton motorcycle. So let's take a look and see what I've managed to find this week. Okay, first up this week, part number 062380/1. That's a pair of exhaust pipes for your 750 SS's. That's £246.52 including VAT. Got the set of swinging arm Welch plugs for the Commando 850 between 75 to 78. That's part number 131895 and they're £16.32 including VAT. The drain plug washer and seal set for the Commandos 750 850s. That's part number 132139. That's £12.54. The N7YC fitting spark plug from Champion, that's part number 062348, is £3.72 including VAT. A set of brake pads, part number 066005, is £25.14 including VAT. And finally this week, a 2-to-1 speedo drive gearbox for the Atlas Dummy, that's part number 067825, is £82.94 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned but you'd like to know if that item is available for your bike, you can check out the Andover Norton website. It is linked in the section below, along with all the items that I've mentioned today. Right, until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.